Yo, greetings, what's up? My name is Plot Marco and welcome to Igro New Voices Amplified. Yes, it's hip-hop. We've been experiencing a lot of hip-hop that has been coming from Zimbabwe. And yesterday we saw the news, Google decided to pay tribute to our Mbira instrument. Yes, the Mbira instrument was on the Google Doodle and it was news across the world. And yeah, today we woke up to some exciting news. Nas, yes, the legendary, the iconic Nas, yes, paid tribute to the Mbira instrument. Remember, in 1993, of the Illmatic album, he dropped a song called One Love that featured the instrument. The instrument was played in that song. And this song was produced by Q-Tip. You know, Q-Tip is a monster producer, legendary producer. And yeah, let's get to hear what Nas said. Yes, my daughter is calling me. I have to drop some bars and do some rehearsal with her. But we're going to take much of your time. Straight to Nas.
Yo, son, niggas be frontin' in the day room, man.
That's that same kid I splashed for the phone. I was gonna take that kid's sneakers, man. When we get back, it's on.
Yo. Letter I got from my man Nas, man.
You got a letter from Nas, yo. Tell us what it say, man. Tell us what it say. What up, you got?
What up, kid? I know this is rough doing your bid. When the cops came, you should've slid to my crib. Make off black, no time for looking back is done. Plus, congratulations, you know you got a son. I heard he looks like you. Why don't your lady write you? Told her she should visit, that's when she got hyper. Flipping, talking about he acts too rough. He didn't listen, he be ripping while I'm telling him stuff. I was like, yeah, shorty don't care. She a snake too, messing with the crumbs from that fake crew that hate you. But yo, guess who got shot in the dome piece? Jerome's niece on her way home from Jones Beach is plugged. Plus Little Rob is selling drugs on a dime, hanging out with young thugs that all carry nines. And nighttime is more tripe than ever. What up with Mega? Did you see him or y'all together? If so, then hold a fort down, represent to the fullest. Say what's up to Herb, Ice and Bullet. I left for $100 in your convers.
During that time, everybody's talking about one love, keeping it unity. And then when you hear the Bob Marley one, you go, wow, you know what I mean? It's about realness. I was so honored to get Q-Tip on this record. You gotta remember, this is the album that changed rap to you can have multiple hit producers on one rap album. The fact that Q-Tip said, I'm in, to this day, I'm still like, did it really happen? That's what